This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Joy Emry. 2 parcels 129.4 acres, together make an incredible mountain retreat. Just off BLM, with ATV trails that go on and on. Come live off the grid. Well installed for water, seasonal creek, spring-fed. Natural pond with wild ducks, deer and turkeys throughout the property. Large building site, holds the well on a beautiful flat area with clear lake and Mount Konocti views. Great southern exposure, sunrise to sunset, high above it all. For more information, review the details below or contact Joy Emry at 707-263-2052.